If you're tired of getting up into your truck by stepping on the bumper like this, why not do like this? All right, for mounting, you lay it to where when you close the tailgate, it won't hit up here. So it says at least an inch away from the top and at least a ½ inch away from the side here. So you will clear. So I've done that. I've already marked my holes. You're only going to use 6 holes, but 6 holes, mark them. And you'll have a punch so your drill won't waller around. And the way you use the punch is just one good hit. You don't tap, tap, tap. Just one good hit. All right. I've got a 9/16. It's a number 5 or 9/16 bit. Makes it easy once you've set the hole with that punch, or with a nail if you don't have a punch. All right. Change the drill bit out to a Phillips head bit, number 2 Phillips. Lay the plate on there. If you have a bed liner, they provide longer screws. I don't have a bed liner, so I'm using the shorter screws. Probably gonna take a pretty good drill with pretty good battery to get these in here. We'll see how they go. Nah, that's like butter. The key is the right size bit, that 9/16. 9/64. I'm sorry, 9/64, not a 9/16. Don't over tighten and strip it out. That is on there. Now let's look at the other parts of the assembly. Attach these little swing arms with the rubber bumper facing up. It's got some nylock nuts. And the heads are hex head, Allen screw. So you'll need an Allen wrench, and they do not provide one. So the bolt heads are metric. The Allen head is metric, so is the other one. So you'll need to plan accordingly. You could grab a hold of this with a pair of channel locks or something if you don't have an Allen head. If you don't have your Allen wrenches in a metric. Tighten it up. They don't say how tight to tighten it, but I assume you want it to swing in and out of the way, so not terribly tight. Anyway, you want them to swing fairly freely. Now we'll install the ladder itself. Now you attach the two down tubes. One of them is offset, the other one is straight. In. Same kind of bolt. Because they are nylock bolts, they're really hard to come out. I mean, hard to work their way out. They won't vibrate out, that's what I'm trying to say. Tighten those up. To attach the ladder, pull these up. You want the ladder to be about 15 degrees off. Okay, right here the directions are a little misleading in that they tell you to use 2 bolts here, just like we used up on top, but they don't. They only provide you 4 bolts, so they don't have enough bolts for this. But they do give you these spring pins, which I like better, really. Put them through. Click on the side. The ladder's in place. It's time to put the strap down to where when you fold it down, it stays. Let's do that. You want to make your hole for the strap about in the center of these two, the bottom shelf and the first rung. So I'll mark the hole there, and we'll put the strap on. All right. And they do have a couple of washers to keep that webbing from pulling loose. Put it on that way there, screw into a washer. They've already got holes punched in the webbing. See if she works. Fold it up, lay it down, bring this over, feed that through, tighten it down, not going nowhere. I like it. So let's give it a try. Undo it, fold it down, step up, that makes it a whole lot better than trying to step on that bumper. Heck yeah. I like it. I like it. Okay, so that's it. And I've got a bunch of stuff back there I need to unload. And if you're looking for one of these, in fact, if you know somebody, make a great gift. If you know somebody that's maybe getting a little gray on the head, a little older, and is having trouble getting in and out of their bed of their truck, this will make a great gift for them. I will have a link below, so look below in the show more box and the description box, and you will find a link to this on Amazon. That is a neat little thing. Might just Save somebody from falling and breaking a leg or a hip or something. I like it. I like it. Tailgate ladder. Get you one. All right, we're gone.